Engineering drawing basics. Actually, the drawing is compared with verbal or written descriptions. Drawings offer far better idea about the shape, size, appearance of any object or situation or location that do in quite less time. Hence, it has been best media of communication not only in engineering drawing. It's a drawing having the many types. It's a first one is a natural drawing, geographical drawing, botanical drawing, geological drawing, portraits, and finally having the engineering drawing. The engineering drawing is furtherly classified in the building related drawing, machine component drawing, orthographic projection, isometric projection. Actually, the many drawing instruments we will discuss that. Before that, the drawing having the 2D or 3D views of an object without the purpose of manufacturing it. It is done manually or with the aid of computer. The engineering drawing 2D or 3D views of an object with the purpose of manufacturing it. It is done manually. In 2D view, one view is not enough to get all the details of the object. So it is necessary to draw the front view, top view, bottom view, right side view and left side view. The engineering graphics 2D and 3D view of object with the purpose of manufacturing it. It is done with the aid of computer. Drawing sheet. The drawing paper is in the form of sheet or roll. It's trimmed, it's called a drawing sheet. The designation it's given A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. So then many instruments are used for make the drawing. It's an important instrument name is a compass. It's make a circle. The many compass types are available. So then the next one is a drawing sheet layout. The title it contains a title block and also the mentioned on all dimensions are in millimeter on the drawing sheet or any specified unit. The most preferably the A3 sheet for the academic purpose. The title block it contains that name, the title of the chapter. It's in an academic purpose. The students should mention the roll number, the class, scale, and the first angle or third angle projection specify in the bottom corner, bottom right corner. The first one is a most important, it's a lettering. In an engineering drawing, it is necessary that drawing of a component should accompany with some written details to convey the technical information such as name of the company or details information regarding the component, manufacturing process, scale, extras, etc. Representing the above particular and sizes of the component on engineering drawing is known as lettering. Lettering includes both alphabets and numbers. Lettering should be done with the freehand, not with the drawing instruments. Both vertical and inclined letters are in use. In an engineering drawing, all the letters must be in uppercase and lowercase letters are used for abbreviations. The scale and the required answer should be written in the corresponds problem taking the size of the letters as 5 mm. Alphabets and numbers are mentioned in that. So the next one is a quadrant theory. Generally the 4 quadrants are available. So the first, second, third and quadrant. So the 4 quadrants are classified based on the above vertical plane or above horizontal plane. It's behind the vertical plane and above horizontal plane, then below horizontal plane and behind the vertical plane, then in front of vertical plane and below horizontal plane. it's called as a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So then observer always standing on the right side. It's focused from the in front of VP and above HP. Then front view is lies on the vertical plane. Then top view it lies on the horizontal plane. It's the first quadrant. So the next one, so then front view is lies on the vertical plane, then horizontal plane it's below XY, it's then second quadrant. So then from the third quadrant, so then front view it's lies below the XY, then top view it lies above the XY plane. It is a third quadrant. Then in the fourth quadrant, the front view is lies the below XY, then top view also then below the XY plane. This quadrant pattern is observed along XY line will exactly appear as showing in right side, in hence it is further used to understand illustration properly. The first angle projection. In this method, the object is assumed to be situated in the first quadrant, means above HP in front of VP. Objects in between the observer and plane. Actual pattern of the plane and views in the first angle projection method. The third angle projection. In this method, the object is assumed to be situated in third quadrant, which is the below HP and behind of VP. Actual pattern of planes and views of third angle projection. So an object lies above the ground plane, then HP plane also above the object, so the top view can be obtained on the horizontal plane. Then vertical plane is placed in front of the object, so we can obtain the front view in the vertical plane. Then the method of drawing orthographic projection, it's a first angle projection method, third angle projection method. Here views are drawn by placing object in first quadrant. It means the front view above XY, top view below XY. Third angle projection method, here views are drawn by placing the object in third quadrant, top view above XY, front view below XY. Symbolic representation of both methods with an object standing on HP on its base. The front view is simple and